I don't think people still realize how bigger the impact of ChatGPT on niche websites is. Niche websites are dying, and I have seen this with my own website that I built in 2015, and I'm seeing this consistent decline in all of my traffic and all of my revenue, and all of this is happening because people are moving from searching on Google to ChatGPT. Now, in this video, we are gonna discuss what is the future of affiliate marketing and niche websites is. If you are planning to start your affiliate business, then this video is very important for you. Make sure to watch it till the end. Hi, my name is Himanshu Bisht and I help other people build online communities. I started my journey as an affiliate marketer. When I was graduating from my college and leaving my job, I made a choice to create my own niche website. And this is how I got into business. I created some affiliate websites, started earning commissions, and I realized that making money online is possible. The first dollar that you earn online is such an incredible feeling. If you are an affiliate marketer, you know what I'm talking about. But a lot has changed. Back in 2015, I still remember the people talking about affiliate marketing is dead and I don't think it works and market is too saturated and all of that things. But I didn't believe that. And again, today, people are talking the same things, that affiliate marketing is dying and it's too late to start in affiliate marketing. But all of this is not true. And I'm gonna prove it to you in this video. But there is one thing that is happening. Affiliate marketing is changing. It is not anymore the time where people used to buy things just because you have a content website out there. It is no longer the time when people are searching on Google, clicking on a website and just visiting the link that you have provided. This is how affiliate marketing works, right? You create a website, you put an affiliate link to an Amazon product or some software product or anything that you have partnered with, and you are sending traffic to that particular page so people can read through the content or watch your videos, and eventually they will click on that link, and when they will make a purchase, you will earn commission. But now it's not that simple anymore. And in fact, it is the good thing. If you are someone who is serious about building an online business, the next things that are coming up are good for you. A lot of people are so insecure that ChatGPT is eating niche websites for breakfast, which is true. But at the same time, you are also seeing that people who are genuinely out there to help other people are gonna make way more money. So here is what is happening right now. Number one, Google is scared. ChatGPT has challenged its supremacy. So people are going to ChatGPT and Cloud and all these other AI tools instead of Google. And that also means that you as a niche website owner is not getting the clicks that you would have got a few years ago. And here's the quote from Larry Page I want you to pay attention to. He said, "The ultimate search engine is an artificially intelligent bot." Do you see that where Google wants to go? While Google is getting challenged, at the same time, Google also wants to create an AI bot that can help its audience. So what is left for a niche website owner? If you are putting your content out there by using ChatGPT, maybe it is working right now, but it's not going to last for very long. And what does this mean to you? If you are still following the wrong advice, you will end up spending so much money and time working on something that is not even gonna last for next 5 to 6 years. So what is the solution? How can we safeguard our business and make more money than ever before? We need to come up with a new strategy. In the 6 years, I have worked as a consultant, as a coach, as an affiliate marketer, and after working with hundreds of entrepreneurs from all around the world, I figured out that the solution is in communities. I want you to imagine something right now. So let's say instead of you creating a niche website, how about creating a niche community, a niche tribe? And in fact, I have launched a complete game plan that you can access for free. I'll put the link in the description. But for the sake of this video, let me help you understand this in simple ways. So think about this. There is Google ads, there is Facebook ads, there is traffic that you can get from YouTube ads, YouTube, Instagram, Reddit, and all these different platforms. But what if instead of sending this traffic to your niche content, how about sending them to your niche community? a niche tribe where people are coming together, hanging out with each other, and you are promoting these products to them. Now, there is a little bit of difference here. While niche websites are all about picking up a topic and going really deep into every aspect of it, niche communities is more about the human to human connection. You are building a community and you are bringing people in. They are building this connection with each other. They are learning something inside the community, and this is where you have a section for resources and section for promoting your products, and you are doing it by genuinely helping them out. And that also means that in the age of ChatGPT and AI, you are creating this trust, which is absolutely necessary when you want other people to purchase on your recommendations. Would you agree that this is powerful? This also opens a very important gateway for you. There are platforms that are outside of your control. There is YouTube, Facebook, Google, and maybe in the future there are chatbots. But because you are building a community, you are building this moat around your business. You are safeguarding your business in a disruptive world. Now you understand why I was saying that people who are genuinely interested to help other people out there are going to make more money, while people who are trying to bypass this real marketing and real understanding of business are going to stop making money. This is the new generation of affiliate marketing, and I want you to start into it. I want you to start building niche tribes instead of niche websites, and that's exactly what I am doing right now. I have worked with tens of entrepreneurs to build their niche communities for different purposes. If you want to learn more about this strategy, make sure to click on the link that I have provided in the description and go through it. I hope you will find it useful. I'll see you in the next video.